It's new. It's new as of like 2 days.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to the Retirement Board meeting for August 17th, 2022. Let the record show Commissioner DiGirolamo is not able to be with us today for health reasons. We'll call the meeting to order for public comment. Let's see, we have, just refresh our screen here. Okay, one name on the list, Mr. Dennis Schuler.
Hi, thanks for letting me talk today. My name's Dennis Schuler. I'm a 37-year-old retirement. I was in the Bucks County system for 37 years as a probation officer and enjoyed all those work years and been lucky enough to be retired now going on my 12th year. Just wanted to touch on some of the effects of not getting a COLA raise has been for us, particularly over the last period of time. I'll give you one example. Most of us don't have eyeglass, prescription, and dental plans. We have to go buy that on the open market for whatever cost we can get them from. The last pre-COVID prescription I had to get, my doctor gave me, I went to one pharmacy and it was $120, and I was able to look around and got it for $25. Now I just got the prescription again, and the prescription other places was $260, and I shopped around and found it for $60, so it's been over double. So that's kind of just an example of what we've been living with. I know there's every portion of our lives has been affected by the inflation going on, and we're not asking to, I guess, figuratively eat steak. We just want to continue eating hamburger, and that's all I'd like to present. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right, that was the only name on the list. We will move to, the minutes for the July 20, 2022 Retirement Board meeting. Any comments or questions regarding the minutes? If not, is there a motion to accept them as presented?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Okay, Secretary's report, Ms. Van Blunk.
Thank you. Attached to your board packet is the Bucks County Employees Retirement System. They had the following transactions for July of 2022. The total amount of contributions, I thought that was directed towards me. The total amount of contributions received for members in July of 2022 was $1,369,048. The total amount of member contributions refunded in July was $237,866, representing 15 former county employees. The total amount of monthly pension benefits issued in July was $4,285,755, representing 1,789 retirees. The following people retired in July of 2022. Rita Alexis from the nursing department with a length of service of 22 years, 4 months, and 20 days. Kathleen Bradford of the Recorder of Deeds with a length of service of 18 years, 6 months, and 0 days. Charles Danfield from the Area Agency on Aging with a length of service of 39 years, 11 months, and 10 days. Gary Davis from 911 Emergency Response Department with a length of service of 22 years, 1 month, and 17 days. Mary Deary from Neshaminy Manor with a length of service of 11 years, 5 months, and 23 days. Diane Deegan from the Recorder of Deeds with a length of service of 15 years, 11 months, and 23 days. Linda Dilks from Maine Courts with a length of service of 29 years, 4 months, and 23 days. John Fagan of the Public Defender's Office with a length of service of 32 years, 9 months, and 27 days. Sandra Frederick from Domestic Relations with a length of service 9 years, 5 months, and 13 days. Barbara Glanzman from 911 Emergency Response Department with a length of service of 5 years, 10 months, and 17 days. Elizabeth Glasgow from Domestic Relations with a length of service of 21 years, 3 months, and 15 days. Peter Hillman from General Services Department with a length of service of 25 years, 2 months, and 7 days. John Keck, also from General Services with a length of service of 31 years, 0 months, and 30 days. David Kemmerer from the District Attorney's Office with a length of service of 23 years, 9 months, and 17 days. Jean Kessling from the Prothonotary Office with a length of service of 32 years, 3 months, 2 days. Deborah Kirkner from Housing and Community Development Department with a length of service of 7 years, 1 month, and 0 days. Cynthia Kowalewski, I hope I said that correctly, from MHDP with a length of service of 28 years, 10 months, and 11 days. D. Millard Hurst from Women's Community Correction Center with a length of service of 8 years, 9 months, and 9 days. George Neville from the District Attorney's Office with a length of service of 3 years, 6 months, and 17 days. Deborah Robeson from Housing and Community Development with a length of service of 18 years, 4 months, and 19 days. Richard Robeson from General Services with a length of service of 8 years, 6 months, 13 days. Shelley D. Stay from Domestic Relations Department with a length of service of 39 years, 5 months, and 9 days. Oh, our department's been busy. I'm not done yet. Janet Swank from Area Agency on Aging with a length of service of 21 years, 3 months, and 9 days. Jeffrey Trauger from the Sheriff's Office with a length of service of 7 years, 5 months, and 11 days. Teresa Valdez from Maine Courts with a length of service of 2 years, 4 months, and 10 days. Patricia Zimmerman from the Prothonotary's Office with a length of service of 33 years, 10 months, and 26 days. Whew, okay, the total amount of death benefits payments issued, in July of 2022 was $136,497, representing 1 deceased vested member and 2 deceased retirees. Also attached to your packet is the Bucks County Employees Retirement Fund reconciliation for month ended July 31st, 2022, which had a market value as of July 31st, 2022 in the amount of $908,908,260.94, representing a market performance of the year at a decrease, market performance for the year of 11.23%. However, the market performance for the month is up 3.25%. And I would like to just add that as of this morning, the number has increased, the market value has increased to $926,520,443.
Okay, any comments or questions regarding the Secretary's report? Nods or motion to, bless you, accept the report as presented?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, item 5 is to approve Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Check LLP as for an engagement to represent the retirement board in a potential Coventris Incorporated securities class action on a contingent basis. Ms. Ms. Fitzpatrick, would you just give us a kind of a brief summary of this, or I don't know if you have a microphone there or not?
I believe I'm live. Working, yes. Good morning. Thank you, Commissioner. This is an opportunity to engage a law firm to get more information about whether or not legal action would be appropriate. And in particular, if a legal action were to be appropriate, it would be the retirement system that could stand in the shoes of all those aggrieved when illegal actions are taken to the detriment of shareholders.
Okay. And a contingent basis essentially means that the county, the retirement board, would not be putting any money out for this, for the hiring of this firm.
Correct. This would be at no cost to the county. During an executive session, the board had the opportunity to learn more about what time investment may be necessary by members of our staff, including myself, which sounds to be fairly minimal in the event that litigation did go forward with the authorization of the board, and in the event that it were successful, the county could seek to recoup the costs for those staff hours.
Okay, thank you. And this is not new. This retirement board of the past couple of years has taken lead action on a number of these kinds of cases where there have been some a need to take class action. Not that this is necessarily going to be one of those, but we need to have this firm do the work to see if there is something that needs to be done. Any questions or comments for Ms. Fitzpatrick regarding this issue? No? Okay. Is there a motion then to approve Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Check for an engagement to represent the retirement board?
Second?
All in favor? Aye.
No,
Opposed?
sorry, opposed. And if I can just state the
Sure.
reason? Okay. I don't oppose the law firm. It is contingency fee basis, so it's at no cost to the county. However, the maximum amount of monetary recovery that the county would obtain would be $792. And it would probably, more likely than not, involve county time. And it just seems like it's probably more work than it's worth recouping the $792.
Just a quick reaction. I know we were on a Zoom call and some of the electricity went out and so the call got cut off. So just so to clarify, this is not just about $794. This is about all the counties that have been involved with this company or other companies. We've been doing this since I've been a commissioner. And what they tried to explain to us is that we have to be the watchdog, that together, as there is nobody to go out and grab these people and tell them not to do this with our pension money. So it is our responsibility to join together with other counties and keep an eye on things. So I see it as check and balance, even though, we're not going to get a whole lot of money back. But it is, right now, we had people talk about how the price of living has gone up. So we want to be mindful and keep every penny of the taxpayers' money.
I would echo that sentiment as well, that when there are companies that take liberties and don't follow the rules that they should be adhering to with their executive boards, that we have a responsibility to pursue that in every way we can.
Okay, any other matters come before the board?
Commissioner, I'd just report out the executive session that took place this morning, as we've discussed here today, to hear more about this potential litigation.
Okay, thank you. All right, hearing nothing else, is there a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
Second?
All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you.